Our journey to Goa by train was a memorable experience filled with breathtaking scenery. As the train moved through Karnataka, we enjoyed views of lush green fields, rolling hills, dense forests, and charming villages. As we entered Goa, the landscape became even more beautiful with picturesque countryside, coconut groves, and glimpses of rivers and valleys. One of the notable stops along the road was Chikjajur railway station, where we caught a glimpse of the station's busy atmosphere before continuing our journey. Passengers are treated to breathtaking views of huge rocky mountains, lush green landscapes, coconut groves, and peaceful rural villages. This journey perfectly combines engineering marvels with spectacular natural beauty, making it an unforgettable train ride from Karnataka to Goa. As the route approaches the coast, travelers are greeted with stunning views of swaying coconut trees and the vibrant Goan countryside. Along the way, the train reaches Sri Siddharoda Swamiji Hubballi Junction railway station, home to the world's longest railway platform, measuring 1,507 meters and officially recognized by Guinness World Records. After a relaxing train ride, we finally met at Vasco da Gama railway station, the gateway to Goa.